At kaya umalagwa doon ang Arellano.
And medyo tahimik si Santos nung second set compared mo dun sa first set na very active siya and very aggressive yung offense.
Yeah. So hindi nag-stick out yung kanyang performance doon. Also because of the blocking activity nitong Arellano University, which was rather how they started that second set. Di makulangan, had the intention to send it over. Pero mababa.
Oo, itong si Di Makulangan medyo kinulang.
Nakadalawa ka na ngayon, ha? Pangalawang mo na, Prince, ha? Ilista ko yan, ha?
Medyo kinulang.
Oo. Kailangan ibalik niya. Uy! Ayun, kinulang din. This is De Guzman. Lazarte with the pop-up. Oh! Back row hit. Goes long for Santos.
Eh, kung pumasok nga naman yung ganong klaseng palo, eh nakakatakot yun.
But she's capable of that. Ginagawa niya yan.
And again, medyo tahimik siya nitong second set natin and gusto siya i-activate ngayon ni Coach. At first play pa lang sa kanya na.
Di makulangan. Underhand setup this time. Tina Marasigan, who was also silent in the second set, comes up with a point. So si Marasigan was checked by the blockers to begin set number 2. Now, she gets a cross-court kill.
And so far, Mars, kung titignan mo yung offense itong San Sebastian, sa tuwing dinadala nila yung bola or yung opensa nila doon sa mga sides, eh nakakuha sila ng point. Pero pag dinadala nila sa gitna, nakukuha ni Pablo.
Parang dun yung open spot sa depensa ng Arellano.
And again, babalikan natin yung sinabi ko kanina na si Pablo isa yan sa mga pinaka-okay na talaga namang kumuha ng mga bola, ng mga first balls. And kung sa kanya madadalhin, eh, makukuha niya talaga yan. Kaya siguro naman eh, ang kanilang strategy, eh, dalhin sa gilid.
Juna Gonzalez scores for Baste. 9 points for her. She had 5 of those in the second set. So yung bumuhay sa opensa ng San Sebastian. Padillon. Timakulangan with a pop-up. Marasigan puts it down. Oh, hindi. So, net touch ang itatawag dito sa Arellano. Habang umaatake itong si Tina Marasigan, there was apparently one player who got to the net. 3-2. Oh, nice serve. Padillon. Nandun na si Demakulangan. Gonzalez. Wow.
Iniwasan na lang eh. Bawon na bawon yung palo na bago pa siya makareact. Eh, umiwas na lang.
Wow. Diba?
Oh, dyan papasok yung positioning na sinasabi nila na dapat nandoon ka sa tamang spot mo kung saan normally doon pinapupunta yung bola.
Oh, service ace. Mula kay Von Demakulangan. So, San Sebastian with 5 straight points.
Nabati yung sinabi ko kanina na pag binibigay kay Pablo, eh, kinukuha niya. 2 beses na yan. Back to back. Sa kanya, dinala yung bola.
Siya yung tinatarget.
Siya naman yung tinatarget.
Ayan, better pickup from Pablo. Here's the reverse set. Juna Gonzalez, hot hand right now, and they'll ride it. 11 points para kay Juna Gonzalez. How about this young player, only her second year with Baste, but she's showing improved play and a lot more confidence. Ngayong
bright
season
future
natin. Yeah.
Bright future.
Very. Oh, another good serve from Von. And this will result to a free ball. Oh, Juna Gonzalez!
After ng first ball, 3 player ng San Sebastian yung ready sa atake. Kanino mo dadalhin?
Yeah.
And they're back again with that mind games nila dun sa offense nila kung kanino dadalhin yung bola.
Ito, may nilalabas pang paraha itong San Sebastian. 7-0 run for San Sebastian. Kanina 2-0 to in favor of Arellano. And De Guzman commits the attack error. So we reach our first technical timeout. with San Sebastian on a roll. Pagbalik po natin, papakinggan natin ang report ni Erin T.
Tournament. Martin and Prince, did you guys notice that the number of wins and losses of the Arellano Lady Chiefs are exactly the same as how they ended their season 99 journey, where they were able to clinch a spot in the Final Four? Well, that is exactly their goal again in this round, because they want to reclaim their spot in the semis. Kaya naman, Coach Obet constantly reminds his team to continue strengthening their defense, continue executing their game plan, and to keep their energy high and bring the same fire to every set in order to solidify their court performance. He also added that sharpening their services and receives will be key to leveling up their gameplay. They've done it before, and now the question is, can they do it again even with San Sebastian leading? Let's find out as I turn it over to you, Martin and Prince.
Okay, we'll get back to your report, but thank you for that, Erin T. Right now, let's listen to Coach Obet Javier.
Nadala mo na doon sa bleacher. Diba, second bully, bago yung over, meron pang spiker, oh.
Huwag niyo muna isipin yung score. Isang
Okay, Coach Obet addressing the lapses of Arellano na nagresulta ng siyam na sunod-sunod na puntos para dito sa San Sebastian. And Erin was talking about their game plan in this match, you know, the things that they needed to improve on and they needed to polish, and their ultimate mission on making it back to the Final Four this year. Of course, this is a team that boasts that championship culture. You know, not so long ago, nag-3-peat itong Arellano. Pero yun yung gusto nilang balikan dito. Nahihirapan lang sila dito sa set 3.
Oo, pero nung set 2, kung ano man yung sinabi na ni Coach Obet, very on point dahil yun ang nakita natin sa kanila nung set 2. But in this set 3, parang medyo in shambles na naman sila and medyo naguguluhan sila dun sa offense na tinatakbo nitong San Sebastian. And yung first ball nila, hindi nila mayangat.
10-0 run now for the Lady Stags. And it is being fueled by Juna Gonzalez. Now with 13 points in the game. Okay, Dimakulangan will end this run at 10. She commits the service error, pero in that stretch, naka-ace din si Dimakulangan. So it was a good stint for her. Ito na, si Moming Padillon. Dimakulangan. Yeah, that's double contact.
Medyo off-balance siya. Kinuha niya yung second ball na yun.
Ito. Tried back set. Pero tinawagan siya ng double contact. Two straight for Arellano. They go back to Juna. They'll ride the hot hand here. Tudlasan gives up the free ball. Lazarte passing it to Dimakulangan. Over to Marasigan. Easy up for Laika. Ito si De Guzman with a push. Saved by Padillon. Tudlasan naman ang susubok. Underhand setup here. Juna Gonzalez!
Kinakabahan ako dun sa mga ganun. Medyo napapareact ako eh.
14 puntos na para dito kay Juna Gonzalez. Even with a difficult set right there, she was able to handle it and score.
And again, riding whatever is working is the perfect play.
Gonzalez from Negros Occidental. Bacolod. Oh, Tina Marasigan adding to this San Sebastian Avalanche dito sa ating third set. Service ace naman ang kanyang pinakawalan.
Baka naman nagpahinga lang sila nung second set. Kasi nung first set medyo mabigat yung laban noon. Eh, pahinga muna tayo second set, third set na tayo bumawi.
Ito, matindi yung bawi nila. 8-point lead now. They go to the middle. Welcome sight para sa Arellano. Faye Manghubat on the quick attack.
Now serving for the Arellano.
Kung pwede nilang puntahan yan, one of their middle blockers in Manghubat and even Samantha Tira-Tira, they can activate. Kat Santos checked. One more time for Kat. Check out naman ngayon para kay Kat.
Yan yung challenge na gusto niya eh. Isa pa. Dali niya sa akin. Isa pa. Mabawi ako.
Parang mas gusto niya yung
Yung binablock muna sa una eh.
so medyo napapagod siya ng konti. Second jump, second attempt works. 13-5. Commanding lead for Baste. Mababa yung pagkasayada. So things are unraveling right now for Arellano. Casey Adante will be subbed out. Balik ang kanilang primary setter na si Cathy Dumasig. And it's KJ Junicio on deck to serve. 9-point lead. Service ace for KJ. 15-5 for San Sebastian.
Substitution for Arellano. Number 9, magaling for number 10.
Medyo struggling talaga itong Arellano dito sa set number 3 natin. Ano yung mga first ball, hindi nila may angat.
Unable to shake off the struggles here in the third set. At ito na lang yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng buhay pag nag-error ang San Sebastian. I think 2 or 3 points ng Arellano came off the errors of Baste here in the third. Di makulangan. Santos mula naman sa gitna. This is still alive. Ceballos sending it over. Ah, nice play. Juna. Nice dive as well by Pau. Lazarte. Underhand setup for Juna Gonzalez. Denied by Tira-Tira.
Blocked by the Lady Chiefs.
Pero tignan mo Martin, kanina yung Arellano, down sila ng malaki ano. Pero pag nakakascore tong Baste, makikita mo sa kanila and their body language na medyo down. Pero itong San Sebastian, nagkamali sila, pero yung body language na mataas pa rin.
Kailangan yun para masustain nila to. Lazarte sends it across. Here is Tudlasan putting it through. Finally, an attack point for Arellano University.
Oh, yan yung kailangan nila. Pero dapat isa-isahin nila one possession at a time and hindi nila yan pwedeng biglain dahil hindi naman gano'n ng volleyball. Isa-isa lang. One step at a time, one offense at a time. Kailangan nyo lang bumawi.
So, Pau de Guzman, look at her numbers today. 6 points. Juna, napatigil pa. That came off the blocker. Tudlasan. Sent back by Gonzalez.
Kung nagdalawang isip siya dun sa palo, dun sa block hindi.
Bombo yung loob.
Oh,
And
medyo
now,
nag-doubt siya ng konti dun sa palo eh.
San Sebastian doubling up on Arellano here as we head to this break.
Sabi nila, bilog ang bola, umiikot lang ang kapalaran. Sa iyong kamay ang bukas, pagtiwala lang kaibigan. Madalo man o magbuging, stay humble, but always proud. Malayo ang mararating, if you got your feet on the ground. Ito na ang biggest game ng iyong buhay, together we'll be flying.
Sa Quirino Grandstand magsisimula. Sali si Prince.
Ilang kilometers ba yung mga pwedeng salihan dyan?
3K, 5K, tsaka 10K. Yun ang po pwede.
100 meters wala.
Kung gusto mo,
Pero hindi yun hindi sprints yun.
Hindi, lakad pa rin. Slow jog.
Fun run lang.
Yeah, this is in celebration of NCAA's 100th season. And longest running league. 17-8 now in favor of Baste. They extend the lead. That's been their best player so far, Juna Gonzalez with 15 points. Magaling commits the attack error. So it's just snowballing now for Baste. Gonzalez, 15 puntos. 7. Galing dito sa third set natin. Set up here. Middle attack. Not gonna drop. Santos returned one more time for Gat. Again on the second jump.